How to use your Paychex Flex. So what you're gonna have to do is just log into, of course, the app itself. Make sure you already have an account. If you don't, go ahead and sign up. It's a pretty simple process. Just make sure you already have the requirements needed, like your personal details. You should already know what those are, and your SSN. But once you have an account, go ahead and log in to the login page in your Paychex Flex app. You can also do this in your desktop or your preferred browser, but in our case, we're gonna show you the app since they're pretty much almost the same. Once you log in, you will immediately be shown to your dashboard. So in your dashboard, you'll see most features like the time off, your check stubs, a training as well if you'd like, and tax documents. Tax as well if there is for your company. But other than that, there's also more tools and features here in the top left corner, which is the triple bar button. Press on that and you will see the main tools. You have your My Profile. You can go ahead and press on that to take a look at your own details and personal details. And if allowed, you can also edit some of them. You have the My Pay option. So, of course, your pay. You have the documents, company locations, and company directory. If you want the help center, it's also available right here if you want questions about the Paychex Flex app. But that's pretty much how you use the Paychex Flex. It's very user friendly, so you can go to explore the app yourself if you'd like. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.